Come here. We are here in James Brady Reserve. Don't need mask. There. It's on Lake Macquarie.
Let's have a look.
Near Toronto. What's that point? Moonmore Point? Marmon or Moonmore Point anyway. Something like that.
America.
Yeah, my second phone is there, but he will call that phone.
Like that photo. What's it? Like what's it?
It's in the Bantan. I have many yachts here.
It's a minefield, gold mine. It's close.
And this one's very quiet. Is it electric, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh, cool, it's on there.
Yeah.
So handy, instead of rowing, you just do that. Because we've looked at few, but like smaller ones, like not like that, but like that kind, you know, that there, the last one there, sailing with the sails.
Yep.
And there was on the other side of the lake there. What's that? I forgot. What's the name of that? Anyways, you drive up to Newcastle. There is this big yacht club. I forgot the place name. Anyway,
This old girl isn't looking like she should. A day's cleaning will have it down. Boats that don't get opened up, don't care what they are, get mould and mildew in them, but not being used for 2 years.
oh, that one is it?
Yep.
That blue.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, for a boat not being used for 2 years, it's not bad.
So you haven't used it for 2 years now, yeah?
No.
Oh,
no,
because
no,
I'm sorry
2
to
years.
hear about your wife. You said she got injured. Oh, I'm sorry
Yeah, she got
about.
bad back and it's got worse.
Yeah.
So she just can't
Oh,
get on
they
it.
got
So.
nice ones here also there.
Oh
Look at
yeah.
that.
Sell your house for them.
I know. Those sounds like a meal plus maybe a couple meals here.
And then
Look at that
sell your
guys.
granny
So,
flat to keep them maintained and try and use them.
yeah.
Some of those use 50, 60, 80 litres an hour or more.
Yeah, those are big ones. Yeah.
There was a 65-foot aluminium
Mhm.
used to moor where that catamaran is, the last catamaran there. And they had to take it to Sydney to slip it. And every time, and this was about 7 years ago.
Yep.
Every time they took it down, they bought a car. It was $22,000 worth of fuel to go to Sydney and back.
Really?
Yep.
Oh yeah, those cost a lot. It's like you kind of little Boeing, you know,
Yeah.
like airplane.
And they ended up selling it because they couldn't get crew to go out with it because it needed a crew. It needed 2 or 3 people apart from themselves
Oh
to
yeah.
go, so they couldn't keep crew.
But
so-
this one is one person operation, okay? Yeah.
Sorry?
This one is one person operation, yeah.
No, 2. Any
Two?
boat that size, you aren't doing one person.
So you need two. Wow. Because I don't know much about boats.
You might rock up there and try and pick up the mooring yourself. You could do it on a good day, but with a breeze like this,
so
you'll be pushing.
you need raw mooring.
yeah. And when you come into dock on a jetty, you know, one person there, you put the bow in or the stern in, which it depends on the wind, and you put it in and you climb and get a rope on it quick. The second person makes the difference.
So cool. Yeah. Like because she's from Philippines, and they have lots of those kind of boats with double sides.
Catamaranes.
Yeah, all of them with double sides, you know.
Yep.
That's
Well, they're good in tidal areas. Put them up and the tide goes out and they don't fall over.
this one, yeah.
They use them up to winter Sundays and things like that.
And you said you didn't anti-foul it for a while, yeah?
No, it hasn't been used for a while. The sparrows got into it. I took the hatch home to work on it, and my wife got sick, so I didn't end up doing it.
It needs like clean and recondition, yeah.
Yeah, so right on now, the rope there in the front.
Yep.
I'm going to get you to see the crossbar.
As well, is it?
Yep. And if you've only been on a single level boat,
Yeah.
on a fly bridge, it's totally different. You can see so much up there.
Yeah, that's so beautiful, yeah. Huh? What? I know, it's like a big ship.
Yep.
It stays strong on the water.
Well, see, it weighs 24 tonnes, so it doesn't bob around like a cork.
20-foot-ton long.
Yeah, well, a 30-foot like that one over there, my mate's, wherever it is, gone now, over there, it weighs about 6 tonnes.
That's it.
So if you raft them up,
Oh, yeah, I can feel it. It's like a ferry, you know?
Yep.
Crazy big ferry. Wow.
And the winch has got powered, it powers up and powers down from up here.
That's the one. You said it's all blown, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it needs a big facelift.
Yep, it does.
It needs like all this
If it was a
stuff.
fiberglass boat in this condition, it'd be $60,000.
I know, yeah.
So,
I know, that's why I saw them. They go like 200 grand. New ones like 200-300 grand, you know. I was thinking this one looks big, that's why I was curious, you know.
yep.
Because like that's like so cheap, and then yeah, it needs a lot of work, but
Well, it depends on whether you're going to do the work or not. But if you got to pay somebody to do it, probably, I don't know, 30 grand. Yeah, probably pull it in.
like all the wood needs changing, all
throw
the
the wood out.
stuff.
Put
Yeah.
aluminium or fiberglass or whatever else.
Yeah. But yeah, it's a great project, and it
That's
feels
fresh fiberglass.
strong and solid, yeah. And that one. Can we go there as well, like around?
Yeah, it's all
Let's go there, come. Let's go, why? Have a look, you can. Wait, no. Yeah, it needs like a lot of fixing, but it looks. It's a great project, yeah.
I know, but it's so strong.
I know, you feel it, yeah.
Steel rails you see right up the front there, they're off the side of the fly bridge for when you walk up there.
Oh, it's so big. I don't feel conical.
I
I
know.
don't feel like that much.
It needs lots of fixing, but if we change everything, okay, it will be beautiful.
Nice.
Hmm.
It will be beautiful.
Fix the leaks, fix that.
So big.
Like a big ship.
I don't feel
No, that's what I want to see, to feel. Because then you can
but
see.
this will be stuff clean.
Of course, you just need to clean the dirt, that, you know.
No, indeed. Well,
It needs to clean and change mattresses. But it has potential, yeah? It's like you can put table here, change all these.
Look, the height, look at the height.
I know, that's what I mean. Okay, you can sit here, you can put all this like, just like fiberglass, you know?
Will not bump your head.
It needs a lot of love, a lot of work. But it has good potential, I love it. Oh yeah, you can step here. Wow.
Those stainless rails you saw down the front go along here when you're walking up.
Yeah, it needs changing these woods and everything, yeah. Oh, wait one sec. Yeah, it's like a whole ship. And this one, it's wood as well, yeah?
On the side, no, it's plastic wood, that plastic decking.
Oh, so it got the cracks of it, yeah?
Yeah, it's just moved to temperature.
But you can like reseal it, yeah?
Oh yeah, it just needs paint. Yeah.
Like filler and paint, I guess, yeah. Well, it's starting to rain a bit.
Yeah. I've got the hatch at home. That's the one I took off to repair.
Also fixing it one week and
No. My son came down.
Oh, it's got a great
the cork
heart.
blew off, so my son just threw that engine hatch on it to get some of the rain out.
It's got a good heart, this boat.
What the hell?
Oh, look, you got some luck. It jumped here. Yeah.
That's big.
You don't need to eat like it's fishing itself.
Yeah.
Ah, that's the one you mooring, you mean, yeah?
Yep. 40 metres of chain on it.
Okay, careful. Huh? No, it's okay. Do you need to move it there? Or?
Maybe the rainbow.
Won't make any difference.
Very good. Okay, stay there. We'll make a picture of it. It's got curtains. Yeah, I know. Okay, look, you see? Anyway. And it's raining. Yeah, pity it because it's open and it's leaking, yeah. Yeah, we got the rents. No, it looks beautiful from outside, the shape, I like it.
Yeah, well, it's a good brand. It was
Good, beautiful design, you know, like...
it's a Hartley design, South Seas. He was a well-known designer, so otherwise it'd be
Yeah, we
outstanding
are
work.
back. Other one you go, and it's gonna cost you so much. Let's go. Just straight away go.
You can stop here. There. You cannot stop there. There. They're already done. This guy is practicing how to use that one. I think he doesn't know how to fly that one. Look, lutan ba? Skateboard ba? Skateboard.
Looks like... Here at the lake.
Whoa! there first. There.
That's a domino. Sige ka. Yeah, like a...
4.
Oh, wait, I'll get the menu. Nice.
What is the galachik? Look, galachik.
So naughty.
Look, galachik.